cricket world in a fix over the spot fixing storm. Along with the stellar success of IPL, betting too has flourished into a multi-million-dollar syndicate. So much so that during an IPL season, bookies now operate hundreds of well-organized telephone betting exchanges across the country. A betting telephone exchange consists of as many as 400 to 500 phone lines of punters connected on a conference call and linked to the live commentary audio from the stadium. The live audio is at least a ball ahead of the TV broadcast. Bets are then taken by bookies on a ball-by-ball basis on almost every aspect of the match in progress. One can bet starting from who will win the toss, modes of dismissal of batsmen, total score in a session, and the list goes on. Spot fixing, for example, is how many runs a bowler will give in an over as alleged by the Delhi police. Bets are even placed on something as bizarre as whether the floodlights will go off during a match, how many players will be wearing sunglasses, or whether a dog will be seen running on the field. The IPL after-match parties are utilized by the bookies to get close to the players and even lure them. UK's betting website Betfair and latest applications on Androids and iPhones are now being used, and coordination takes place through voice over internet protocol to evade the police net. The IPL betting bombshell has also brought back into focus the Mumbai underworld, especially India's most wanted Dawood Ibrahim. It's his D-gang that rules this massive syndicate. Sources indicate that players even get threatened if they don't toe the bookies' lines. Dawood's brother Anis handles betting operations, with Mumbai being the betting capital of India. Gujarat and Rajasthan are the other strongholds of bookies, with Goa being the latest favourite. D-Gang uses its 2-decade-old network of Hawala operators to transfer huge amounts of betting money. Some of the biggest names in Mumbai include Shobhan Mehta alias Kala Jockey, Kushal, who allegedly handles Bollywood clientele, Sunil Abhichandani, and Musa Paik. In fact, the 3 bookies arrested last week by Mumbai police were in constant touch with elements in Pakistan, underscoring the D-Gang's monopoly and the complicated nature of the web the investigators are up against. In Mumbai, this is Shoaib Ahmed.